Okay, so here's another example. So question 1 is these 5 verbs. Question 2 is 14 points again, so each one of these blanks is 2 points. You will find that they make quite a lot of spellings. Just leave that, because to prevent cheating, one of the things I do is give them less time than they really should get. So some of them make spelling mistakes. With the exception of these, they have to get these spellings correct. So for example, the goal is that they add ed, or they add d or ed, or this one, this is correct. But if it's the endings of the words must be correct. But if they make a spelling in the first part of the word, you can take half point off. If they make a spelling with the past tense, then that's 1 full point off. So each one of these is 1 point. So most of them are getting this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all correct. But the next one, there are 3 questions, and if you just read the instructions, it might help you as well. So the first one has to be in the past tense positive, and then they have to rewrite the sentence in the past tense negative. So this person, for example, right, so the first one, she hasn't done the negative, and so you was is incorrect, and you will see by looking at the sheet it's so you were, so she's lost the 4 points for the first one. And you can write it here, so you were, and then you would have to write what it should be here, so you get that from the sheet. And then the second one, she has written people liked the company. Now she forgot the capital letter and she spelled people wrong, but we'll just let that go. People liked the company because she spelled wrong, we'll let that go. It's just because I know they were under pressure with time, I'm going to let them off with that. People liked, but these they must spell correctly. The words that they're supposed to enter must be. So people liked the company because of that duck quacking. And users, there should be no 2 there, but I've given it to her anyway. So for this one, she scored the 4 points. Okay. So for number 2, 4 points. However, no 2. So, I mean, it's just shared. So I would copy this part of it, you know, not just and users to shared it a lot. So just copy a few words before and after, and you pick it here, and you know, I would keep this without the bold type, and then put this one in bold, underline it, and then put this one in bold and underline. So it's kind of you're showing what they got wrong, and this one is 4 points. I would just write that in that you got 4 points. So this one was 0. Wait a minute. Oh, I put it there. Right. Okay. She's done. Yeah. Sorry, this one's wrong. So no points for this first one, and I would write that in. Okay. So I keep the highlight to use it only for showing errors and showing the correct answer. Now number 3, so you have to go through one by one really. Now she spelled colour for long, I mean it's just copying straight, but anyway, just leave it. Fun colour, right, she's chosen the wrong verb. Fun colourful characters. She put in people too, this is very strange. Oh sorry, this is mine. Okay, so this is hers, and it's number 3. Fun colourful characters, something people to something, right? So this one is the fun colourful characters encouraged, and you'll see that, and people to talk about them, and both young and older people really liked them. So on the sheet you'll see that. So you need to actually add that, copy paste it from the sheet, and you know, put the answer there. So I'm just going to put it here because I haven't got the sheet yet, and that's going to be highlighted. So encouraged people to talk about them. Talk about them and they really like them. Has to be in the past tense. Okay, full stop. And then this part is going to be, you can just write it or you can just copy it, didn't encourage. And then this one stays as to talk. Didn't like them. Or if I put, maybe I put did not like them. Okay, so this one for number 3 is 0 points. So in total, she's got 4 here, and she's got 5, so that's going to be 9 out of 20. Okay, and then save and next.